The Samsung Galaxy S8 hit stores in early 2017, so it makes sense that we are hearing about the Samsung Galaxy S9, as it might only be months away. The rumors are coming thick and fast for what the new phone will look like and feature, so we have sifted through to bring you the information you need to know about the incoming phone, as well as answering some key questions. And below all that, you will find our wish list of the various things we most want from Samsung's next flagship. What's the news? Samsung Galaxy S9 news. A photo seemingly showing the Galaxy S9's back glass has leaked, as have several case renders. Plus, we have heard word the Galaxy S9 will keep its 3.5mm headphone jack. Samsung Galaxy S9 screen. Hottest leaks: an in-screen scanner, a water repellent coating. As for the form the screen will take, it's rumored to retain the Galaxy S8's 18.5:9 aspect ratio. There's also a good chance it will be the same size as the Galaxy S8, coming in at 5.8 inches, though one rumor puts it at 5.65 inches. It's also sure to be curved and continue Samsung's trend of using Super AMOLED, which delivers vibrant visuals and good contrast. The biggest chance could be an in-screen fingerprint scanner, which has been rumored. Synaptics has also announced an in-screen scanner and mentioned not just OLED but also Infinity display, and that it's being used on a phone made by a top 5 manufacturer. Notably, the new Qualcomm fingerprint sensor can sit below quite thick displays, and OLED technology was especially mentioned. Samsung Galaxy S9 design. Hottest leaks: smaller bezels, a repositioned fingerprint scanner. The front and the back both look to use curved glass. The bezels are small, and there's both a 3.5mm headphone port and what's presumably a big play button. All of that points to the Samsung Galaxy S9 having fingerprint sensing technology below the glass. Samsung Galaxy S9 camera. New camera modes and features are likely, and a 3D face scanner is possible, but most evidence suggests the Galaxy S9 won't have a dual-lens camera. Samsung Galaxy S9 battery. Samsung is probably likely to be cautious about picking too big battery into the phone given what happened with Note 7, but a slight size increase is possible. Samsung Galaxy S9 OS and power. As unlikely as just 4GB of RAM might seem, most of the evidence seems to be pointing in that direction. What we can be more sure of is that you will get either a Snapdragon 845 or Exynos 9810 chipset, and that the phone will run Android Oreo. With the exception of a pollution monitor, all of these features are believable, and the iris scanner upgrades seem especially likely. We had heard that the Samsung Galaxy S9 might be teased in January, but then launched a little later. However, Samsung has now said that a January tease is unlikely. What we can safely predict is that the Samsung Galaxy S9 is sure to be expensive, as the Galaxy S8 launched at $720. So guys, these are the rumored specifications of Samsung Galaxy S9. If you liked our video, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.